Welcome back to the video series. This is Module 1, Lesson 2, how to set up or install WordPress to your website. Alright, so in the previous lesson, we've managed to register for a web hosting package and set up the cPanel account. In this video, we will be installing WordPress to properly manage our website. WordPress, by the way, is a free website creation tool. It's the easiest and most powerful blogging and website content management system in existence today. Are you ready? Let's get it started. Log in to your GoDaddy account by entering your username and password, or if you're already logged in, simply click your profile on the top right of the page, then select My Products. If a survey pop-up appears, simply close it and continue on to the next step. Under Web Hosting, we are seeing here Economy Linux Hosting with cPanel. Below that is the name of the site we registered earlier. What we should do is click on the Manage button we have here on the right, and you will be forwarded to your hosting accounts page. Click on the cPanel Admin button, and by doing that, you will be forwarded to your cPanel hosting dashboard. Next, scroll down a bit and then under Web Applications, click on WordPress. By doing this, you will be forwarded to Installatron where you can install WordPress. Click on the Install This Application button. Now, before the installation could continue, you need to scroll down to the Settings section, and this is very important because you will need to create your own username and password of your WordPress site. We see here the auto-generated username provided to us by default, but of course you need to change this and come up with your own admin username. So type in the administrator username. Let's do the same for the password. Let's first click on the Show Password button so we know what we're typing in the box. Let's type in our preferred password in the administrator password box, as what we see here. Alright, so it's very important to make sure to keep your username and password because this is what you're going to use when you log into WordPress to manage your site. In the administrator email box, we have here weird looking email address that's provided to us by default when we installed cPanel. And at this point, all we have to do is delete it and replace it with our own personal email address. So we're good to go. That's all the settings we need to have for now, and we're now ready to install WordPress. Simply scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Install button. Now, the installation process will start and should only take a few seconds to complete. Alright, so the installation has just completed and we've successfully installed WordPress to our site. So at this point, we will be accessing our website using WordPress, and there's going to be a couple of steps to do before getting to our WordPress account dashboard. In order to get started, we have 3 links here. Simply click on the second link that says www.prudentleader.com/wp-admin. Of course, it would be a different website name in your case, so simply click on the link of the domain you registered. After clicking that link, we are then forwarded to a newly opened tab, and we have here WordPress Quick Start Wizard. All you have to do in this case is click on the No Thanks button because we will set up or configure WordPress on our own, which is great for total control. A pop-up will appear that says, "Are you sure you want to exit and configure WordPress on your own?" Simply click on OK to continue. And there you go. Welcome to your WordPress account dashboard. And that's all there is to it for Module 1, Lesson number 2, how to set up or install WordPress to your site. At this point, keep the admin credentials you used because you need to have this each time you log into your WordPress site. I hope this has been informative for you, and I'd like to thank you for viewing. See you on the next video.